I'm here today to talk to you about custom development and what that means for your business. So we have the ability here at SWK to do development across all the product lines that we service. So we deal with legacy Sage, we can assist you with your Intacct project, but we spend the majority of our time working with our Acumatica development. Some things that we can do for your business is we can create brand new entire modules, we can customize screens, we can do adding fields, adding tabs to various things. We do all sorts of API projects. So if you have a third-party solution that you want to integrate into Acumatica, we can assist with that. We do mobile development. So if you're looking to do changes to mobile development, we can assist with that as well too. Or even if you're interested in doing your own development, we're happy to assist and walk people through what they need to do to enhance their own system and not be reliant on us. And so the process would be, you might reach out to your point of contact at SWK and determine if, hey, we're looking to do this, and then they would reach out to us at that point. And so we work with the consulting teams, we work with the customer success, we work with sales, and we'll determine if this is actually something that might be feasible in the system without an actual customization needed. Because at the end of the day, we're looking out for what's going to be best for your business and to try to save you money. But if it's determined after we look at it that it is something that is going to need a customization, we have multiple developers on staff that for whatever product you're doing, Acumatica, Sage, Intacct, where we can extend the software to whatever your business needs are to build that out and incorporate it into your system going forward. So we had a client that is in the manufacturing space that uses production order in Acumatica, and they came from a homegrown system where they had built their own software system to handle what they were doing. So basically this client creates boxes and shipping boxes for like cereal companies or for companies that do packaging of various types of fruit. And so they have plants all across the world in Europe and South America and the United States, and they do manufacturing pretty much 24/7. And they had this huge customization that had about 500 fields across about 6 or 7 screens, and they needed to replicate that in Acumatica to store all this information when they were working a production order on the shop floor. So we worked with them for about a year to spec out exactly what they needed to do, the various processes in production order where we needed to tie in the customization. And at the end of the end product, ended up working incredibly well for them. Before they had limitations with speed and they had limitations as their product was getting old. Now all the information that they needed was contained in various tables that were attached to the production order. So for any sort of reporting or extracting of the data, it was all right there at their fingertips to be able to grab whatever they were looking for. And that was a very successful project with the client, as they were very happy with the results, and it was a joy for us to work with.